guys, today we're gonna make a paper airplane and a launcher for the airplane. So we're just gonna use a regular sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11, and this is a pretty simple activity, so you only need a few supplies. You'll need a popsicle stick, a rubber band, a paper clip, and some tape. So first we're gonna start off by making a pretty standard paper airplane, and I'll show you how to do that. So we're gonna fold it in half, short ways. Line up your corners, get it creased nice and tightly, and then you can open it up. And then you'll fold the corner in all the way to the center line that you just made by folding it. Okay, so you're gonna have this nice big triangle right like that. And then you'll do the same thing to the other side. Okay, and then you have something like this, and then you fold it in half again. And then you go ahead and fold this side all the way down. The whole thing is going to meet up with the bottom. Okay, and crease it nice and tight, and do that twice on each side. So we fold it like this again. This makes it really skinny, like a jet. Okay, so we did one side, folded it twice all the way down, and then we'll do the other side exactly the same. Okay, it's really simple airplane. And you can do other types of airplanes. Maybe if you do some research on other ways to fold paper airplanes, because all of them should work with this launcher. So now you have your paper airplane, and it should look something like this. And what you're going to do now is you're going to kind of open it up so the center line is showing. And you're going to take your paper clip and you're going to unwrap it. So mine's already been unwrapped, and then I wrapped it again, so it's kind of a funny shape. But anyways, the center part, that is the small little curved piece, you're going to take that out of the center and you're going to straighten it out. You're going to straighten it all the way out so you've got this long J shape. Okay? Okay, so it has a long tail on it, and you're going to put the long straight piece right down the center line of your airplane. Okay? And you want it to curve back towards the body of the plane. And then you're going to get your tape. You're going to tape it down really nice and tight. Okay, so you almost have to like flatten out your airplane, but then you can fold it back up again so that it works. And sometimes this gets kind of off while you're taping, but you can just readjust it. Okay, so you want to really get the tape right along the edge so that your paper clip doesn't slide out when you're launching your airplane. Okay, and then you fold it back up. Okay. All right, so you've got your airplane ready, and then the launcher is just so simple. You take your paper, your popsicle stick, and your rubber band, and you do this. Okay, you hook the rubber band on, and you launch your airplane.